Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to end up the topic indices. There are a couple of more examples which you should know, and then I'll be uploading one worksheet which will include the past paper questions. So let's see the examples for today. In this example, he says that evaluate each with x equal to 16 and y equals to 8. In your book, the question number 39 is 2x power half times by y power 1 over 3. So first of all, you need to substitute the values. X you replace by 16 and y you replace by 8. Then you know that 16 power half is root 16. You change this half with the root 16 and this 1 over 3 with the cube. Then root of 16 is 4 and then cube root of 8 is 2. So then you multiply 2 times 4 times 2 equals to 16. This is the answer for you. The next example I put from your book, again question number 50 is there. So the question is x over y power negative 2. So first of all, make index positive and then substitute the values. In this case, you just flip the fraction, you write it as y over x, the power will be changing the sign. So it will become y over x power positive 2. Then you replace y by 8 and x by 16. And you know that 8 over 16 is 1 over 2 and power is 2. Then there is a rule, the power will be distributed to numerator and denominator. So it is 1 power 2 over 2 power 2 equals 1 over 4. The next example is solving the exponential equations. In this case, the equation is given that 2 power x equals to 8. So the first thing you need to change 8 to the powers of 2. Like I explained to you yesterday, that you try the powers of 2. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 2, and 2 power 3 is 8. This you can take the help from the calculator. Then once the base is same, the powers must be equal. So when base is same, equate the powers, means that x equals to 3. Another example regarding this. So 3 power negative x equal to 1 over 27. Yesterday I explained to you that when this is a fraction, so you should try the negative powers. So 27 can be changed to 3 power 3, while in this case it is in the denominator, so you write 3 power minus 3. Again, when base is same, equate the powers. So minus x equals to minus 3. You cancel the minus sign on both sides, so x equal to 3 is the answer for you. Now the classwork and homework for you. Exercise 14. This is question number 39 to 62, as many as possible for you. And then a worksheet I'll be uploading for you. Have a good day. Try to practice all the questions and the worksheet. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.